How many railway stations across the country have achieved the Eat Right Station certification?
150 railway stations.
In which year was the Interim Indian Coast Guard, ICG, officially established before its formal inauguration as an independent armed force?
1977.
Which institution issued monkeypox management guidelines and allocated 5 isolation beds for patients?
AIIMS Delhi.
Which country received 450 megawatts from the Godda plant of Adani Power?
Bangladesh.
Who won a gold medal in the 23rd National Ski Championship in January 2023?
Halak Mumtaz.
Into which language was Jean Daniel Baltasar's Les Devants de Staline translated by Pankaj Kumar Chatterjee, winning the Romain Rolland Book Prize 2024?
Bengali.
In which year was the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, NATO, founded?
1949.
Which state won the Unhabitat's World Habitat Awards 2023 for Jaga Mission?
Odisha.
Who became the Indian Navy's first woman helicopter pilot?
Anamika B. Rajiv.
In which state did the India Meteorological Department issue the season's first heat wave warning in the Konkan and Kutch areas?
Gujarat.
Tayyip Erdogan, who has been making headlines, is the president of which country?
Turkey.
Which organization developed the Nagmitra device for fishers' safety?
Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO.
In which year was World Oceans Day officially recognized by the United Nations?
2008.
What is the name of the woman robot astronaut set to fly into space ahead of ISRO's Gaganyaan mission?
Vyomitra.
In which year did writer K. Venu receive the Federal Bank Literary Award?
2023.
Where is Divya Kala Mela 2023 being organized?
Mumbai.
When is the International Day of Friendship celebrated?
July 30th.
Which country has approved the sale of $619 million in munitions for F-16 fighter jets to Taiwan?
USA.
Which city has been ranked as the most livable city according to the Global Livability Index 2023 published by the Economic Intelligence Unit, EIU?
Vienna.
Which Indian state secured the first spot in agri-marketing reforms, according to the recent Reform Index released by Niti Aayog?
Andhra Pradesh.
Washington Declaration is a bilateral agreement that was signed between the US and which country?
South Korea.
Satuani and Jur Seetal are the festivals celebrated in which state UT?
Bihar.
Which institution secured the 45th rank in Engineering and Technology of Quacquarelli Simons, QS, World University Rankings 2024?
IIT Bombay.
Who assumed the charge of Director General Naval Operations, DGNO, in the Indian Navy?
Vice Admiral and Pramod.
Where is the Indian Army contingent departing for the Joint Military Exercise Lamitier 2024?
Seychelles.
Where will the SCALO component of the Square Kilometre Array (SCA) radio telescope be located?
Australia.
Who received the prestigious V. Venkaiah Epigraphy Award in 2024?
V. Vetulam.
Who has been appointed as the new Managing Director and CEO of Sony Pictures Networks India?
Gaurav Banerjee.
Which ministry has recently launched the VisyoNXT web portal?
Ministry of Textiles.
Who was honored with the inaugural Lifetime Disturbing the Peace Award by the Vaclav Havel Center?
Salman Rushdie.
Which company has entered a 25-year agreement with Bangalore International Airport Limited, BIAL, to promote sustainable energy practices?
CleanMax.
In which state was a new anti-cheating law passed?
Uttarakhand.
What is the retail price of Bharat rice per kilogram?
Rupees 29 kg.
Where will PepsiCo India set up its new food manufacturing plant?
Assam.
Who has recently started his second term as the Prime Minister of Bhutan after the fourth free election?
Tshering Tobgay.
Which country sent its first contestant to the Miss Universe pageant?
Saudi Arabia.
Which country's parliament has passed the Human Sexual Rights and Family Values Bill, a controversial anti-LGBTQ legislation?
Ghana.
Which cricketer became the first player to be timed out in an international cricket match?
Angelo Matthews.
Martin Amis, who has passed away, belongs to which profession?
Novelist.
Which institution has approved the replacement of the term India with Bharat in all textbooks across the country?
National Council of Educational Research and Training, NCERT.